Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. Just before I jump in, a reminder to please like our content and subscribe to the channel. We post on Google Ads once or twice every week. So today I am going to show you a little tool that we use at my agency that's a huge time saver for pay-per-click ads, and that tool is ConvertCase. So first off, the tool is available as a website, which I'm displaying here. And in a nutshell, what the tool does, and by the way, this site does a whole bunch of things, but for the purposes of this, I'm really looking at the ConvertCase functionality. So basically what it does is you can input any copy into this box, and you can click on one of these buttons and it will change the case. So in this case, I converted a sentence case of the sentence to title case, which effectively capitalizes most of the first letters of each word. There are certain words that do not get capitalized. And that's kind of an important thing because if you're not certain when you are writing copy which word should be capitalized to do title case, then this tool can help you with that. But even when you know, it's just a time saver because oftentimes you will have copy somewhere else. It could be in a spreadsheet, it could be on a landing page, and you're going to grab that copy. You're going to stick it into the headline or the description of your Google ad, for example, and then you're going to have to go through and edit the first letters of every word. But just, I mean, it takes a bit of time, and if you're writing a whole bunch of ads, it can eat up a bunch of time. So this tool, using the web interface, already saves you a bunch of time because you can, copy that content in here, convert it, and then copy it again over into your ad. But beyond that, and what's way more powerful about this tool is there is an extension for Chrome and I believe for Firefox and most other browsers that allows you to edit any copy that appears on a web page. So I'm going to show you an example of this from content on this page. So I just selected this and I'm going to right click and I'm going to select convert case and I'm going to convert this. We'll just do uppercase so it's more obvious, and you can see right on the page in the browser this content has all been changed. So imagine if you're in Google Ads and you have a description that you've pasted into the ad. You can select and right click that content and then instantly make a title case or a sentence case or whatever you want. Um, so it's a small tool that does a small thing. But when you're writing a ton, if you're developing landing pages and just writing a lot of ad copy, and particularly if you have to pull content from, it could be like a document that a customer provided or your own, you know, spreadsheet that you're working at, like features and benefits. This saves a ton of time. So it's something I recommend to definitely any pay-per-click manager that's working with ads all day, but even an advertiser that, is regularly editing their ads. This not only can, reduce your workload a little bit, but it can also improve accuracy by ensuring that you're only capitalizing the right words. One caveat with this tool that's a small negative is if you use contractions, right? So like if you used ABC, which could be the news state or the network, and you convert it to title case, it does not recognize this, and as such, you're going to have to fix those things. So just something to be aware of. But other than that, I mean, it's an amazing tool. It's free. Um, it doesn't get any better than that. So hopefully you find this tool useful, and you're going to keep watching our videos. I will have a new video for you soon. Thank you.